Are we going to face a big shortage of the food product in the importing country and same time large stocks of the food stuff to be exported in the exporting country due to the shortage of the containers worldwide and the non-availability of the vessel? Hello, I'm Dr. Raghav Jetli, a food technologist, business entrepreneur, director of Jetli Foods India Private Limited, a leading manufacturing and exporting company of fruit pulp and concentrate. Quality and reliability is the principle of the Jetli Foods. Food is the lifeline of human beings. Exports are the lifeline of an economy. And shipping containers are the lifeline of the export. Well, today I'm addressing the issue, one of the most critical issue in the international trade due to the shortage of the containers. So, where the containers are really gone, let's have a look into the same. The COVID-19 pandemic which occurred in 2020, leading to all the lockdown, and accordingly the haltage of the containers and vessel at the port. The vessels were standing with a loaded cargo and there was nobody to unload the containers. The custom officials were not there. The operators for the handling were absent from the port due to the lockdown. And simultaneously, the vessels which were at the transshipment port, they also couldn't get, move further forward. After 4-5 months, when unlocking phases started, the containers started getting clearance from the custom and the handling of loading and unloading started of the container. But again, the problem came, the crew members were not at the port to carry back the ship back to the place. Due to which the demand for the container soared up. And then everybody was asking for the container, and which resulted in the increase in the ocean freight. Now to tell you something, how the freight have really gone up. For example, the shipment from India to USA, which was going in the month of July at 1600, today the freight rate is around $4,500. For Rotterdam, the European, one of the largest European port, it was $700. Today the containers are not available at $2,500. Denmark, Copenhagen, $700. The freight $3,000. Just to say, for Sudan, for Port Sudan, 1,100 euro, and now the freight rate is 4,500 euro. So with that, well, you can understand what is happening in the container or in the export industry. Now the food stuff, which is low value product, where the margin is 5 to 10%, this increase in the ocean freight have not only taken the margin, but as well as today the exporter of the processed food product or food product is paying from their pocket. And how long it will go? That is the main question. Get normalized is the main concern of the exporter. The freight rate back to the normalcy. Well, today shipping lines are not promising anything, because there is a shortage. The vessels are really taking long time to reach the destination. The vessel which was taking 15 to 20 days, today it is taking more than 2 months, 3 months, depend on the port and congestion at the transshipment port. So well, we understand that after the vaccination, when the crew member will started, coming back to the ships, sailing is started, so there will be, the movement of the ships will increase. But then what about the backlog? See, the international business dealings are slowed down because of this increase in the freight. So there will be not much pressure or demand for the material after 4-5 months for the containers. And by this way, the freight rates are expected to start reducing and then coming back to the normalcy. Since major export from India is happening from the MSME industry, meanwhile, till the situation get normalized, we hope and will take the government will support at this critical situation by compensating to some extent this increase in the freight rate. And we hope the things will get back to old normalcy shortly. Please take care of yourself, follow the COVID-19 safety precaution guidelines, sanitize your hands regularly, keep the social distance, and last but not the least, wear the mask. Thank you. See you soon.